What's up, guys? I'm being swarmed by bugs, but I'm out here on my hunting lease because I am wanting to fish for some big topwater bass. I also got a swimmer, rooster tail, just see whatever's biting. There's also tons of hog tracks everywhere over here, but I'm just walking down this cool trail, so let's see what we can get. So y'all, this is the lowest I've ever seen the water out there. Normally this place is flooded. It's flooded all the time, but I think all the farmers around here are planting corn. It's like towards the beginning of May right now when I'm filming this. So I think they're kind of draining the creek for water. So now I get to fish in shallow water. Sweet. Kind of consolidated the fish, so I know where all the holes are. So this should hopefully be a lot of fun. All right, let's get it. Well, there goes my bait. Oh my gosh. Got a good one. Holy crap, dude. Oh, I don't have a net. I don't have a net. Oh, he's taking some drag. No way. This is my fish. I know this fish. I've caught him. This is now my third time catching him. Oh. Oh, I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Oh my goodness. I was just trying to get my other bait, dude. Caught this big old chunk of a bass. Whew. Got her right there, the side of the mouth. Perfect hook set. Come on, girly. Oh yeah. So I already know with the clip and everything, it's 3 ounces. So I just subtract 3 ounces from the fish. 3 pounds 9 ounces, so it'd be 3 pounds 6 ounces, right? Close to about 3.5 pounds. Okay, then 3.8, 3.9. All right, I got 2 3.9, so 3 pounds 6 ounces. Pretty dang good fish, dude. Let's go on top water. I got yellow flies all over the place, so I'm gonna take a couple pictures, get her back in the water. All right, guys, let's get this released. Okay, I have to just kind of toss her back in like that, and there she go. She swam off. Let's go. Look at all the fry down there. Those are all bass fry, dude. I don't know if you can see those. Oh, I heard something moving through the trees. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get this bait. Oh, dude, it's right there. Let's go. Man, that blue herring is just freaking out. Making some insane noises. Oh, I had him. Oh, I have one. No freaking way, dude. What the actual heck? Who catches a freaking red belly on a spinnerbait this big? Dude, what? It's gotta be like a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait at least. Yep. I just drop them whenever they start freaking out. Their spines hurt, dude. I was trying to get that bowfin. At least he pulled me off the tree I was stuck on. See you later, little guy. Cool. All right, let's get the bowfin. Oh my gosh. There's a giant bowfin sitting there. Oh my gosh. Did y'all hear that? Oh, there she is. I see her too. Oh, I got her. Oh my gosh, bro. Can't even hook her. That was insane. Holy crap. That bass literally just kicked it out of the water, dude. Literally just punched it out of the water, like, get out of my zone. That was insane. I hope my arm wasn't in the way. Got him. Oh no, dude, he came off. He was a little guy though. Smallest one I've ever seen over here. Oh, there's a gator. I was like, what's that noise? Oh yeah, scared him off. Okay. I got him close and I jumped at him. Bro, oh my gosh, something just blew up over here. There's a dang snake skin sitting there in the tree. That's some dang tree snakes. Where are they at? Guys, I heard something rustling a bunch of leaves. Figured out what it is. It's an armadillo. I like these guys because they eat all the bugs. Only issue is they carry a lot of diseases. They're not very fast though. Funny enough, he ran off the same direction I'm going. So he thinks I'm chasing him. I really don't care. It's crazy, dude. Got one. Little guy. All right, guys, sweet. Little itty bitty bass. I think that's the smallest topwater bass I've caught out here. All right, let's get you back in. There he goes. Y'all, I'm out here driving down the dirt road, as you can see, and I had to pull off because look what I found. Check it out. It's a little shed. That's crazy. I mean, it's broken off. That's awesome. It's all that just while driving down the road. All right, let's get some topwater fish. Oh my gosh. I got something big on the spinnerbait. Oh, it's coming right towards me. Oh my gosh, it's a good bass. Not bad at all. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Look at you. Ooh, feisty. Oh yeah, nice. What, 2-pounder? Seems like. I don't know. We'll weigh her. Might as well. 2.6. Not bad. So 2.3. So just over 2 pounds. Look at that. All right, off you go, little buddy. Shoo! Got me all wet. Hey, if you guys want to see some other awesome videos from me out at the hunting land, just fishing topwater, click either one of these videos at the top. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was a lot of fun to film. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the others. Thanks.